Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to hide your IP address on your Android phone step by step. Whether you want more privacy, to bypass restrictions, or just to stay anonymous online, this is for you. Check your current IP address anytime at astonishingtips.net/myip. First, what's an IP address? It's like your phone's digital ID on the internet. Websites, apps, and even your internet provider can use it to track your activity and location. By hiding it, you can stop websites from tracking you, use public Wi-Fi safely, access geo-blocked content. The most effective way to hide your IP is by using a VPN, a virtual private network. A VPN reroutes your internet traffic through a secure server and replaces your real IP address with one from a different location. Here is how to set it up. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's one of most trusted VPNs out there, fast, secure, and easy to use. It also has a strict no-logs policy, so your activity stays completely private. I will leave a link in the description. It includes my exclusive discount automatically. If you use my link, I may earn a small commission, which helps support the channel. Choose your preferred plan and complete the sign-up process. While in your Nord account, select Download from the Quick Access section. Next, tap Download App in the Get NordVPN for Android section. Tap the Install button to begin installing NordVPN on your phone. Tap Open to launch NordVPN. Review and accept the privacy policy. You can customize it if you want. Select Already have an account, login to continue. You will be logged automatically. If not, just enter your email and password. Select your preference for receiving notifications for NordVPN. You are all set. Tap Quick Connect or choose a location manually from the map and confirm the connection request. Click on the button Enable. You will need to reconnect to apply the changes. Tap on Reconnect Now. That's it. You are connected. You can check the server's IP address by tapping the down arrow at the top right of the screen. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. That's it for now. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.